Welcome back. Let's do question 1.4. Consider the quadratic pattern, and then the question is, which term of the sequence found in question 1.3 is the value of 400? Right. In question 1.3, we found that Pn is equal to 2n squared minus 3n minus 5. That was after adding 3 to Tn. Right now, if the term is 400, then what is the value of n? 400 is equal to 2n squared minus 3n minus 5. Then standard form, 2n squared minus 3n, and then negative 400. So it's going to be minus 5 minus 400. Because if you transpose 400, becomes negative 400 there. It becomes negative 405. So it's negative 405. So here we can factorize. 0 is equal to n minus 15, and then 2n plus 27. But for these big numbers like this, I find it easier to use the quadratic formula. So you can use the quadratic formula. N is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All this over 2a. So it means n is equal to minus negative 3, b is negative 3, plus or minus the square root of b squared, b is negative 3, minus 4, a is 2, c is negative 405. Negative 405. All this over 2a, and then a is 2. And then you get your n is equal to 15, or n is equal to negative 27 over 2, which is not applicable. And then here again we get, therefore n is equal to 15, or n is equal to negative 27 over 2. This is not applicable because n must be a positive integer. So n is equal to 15. So it means 400 is term number 15.